Hello guys, it's the Sendphoto here, and today I'm going to be talking about what is going on with the channel and what's coming next. First of all, like some of you may know, I've been gone for 6 months or so, and that's just because life got busy, and yeah, I was kinda also not so motivated to do these videos because I didn't really enjoy the content I was making. What comes to my content is that I'm not entirely sure what I will be doing later on, but I'm pretty sure that I will start making videos again in some way, and I have some ideas, but I'm not like sure about what kind of thing it's going to be as a whole, but I think there is going to be quite a big brand change for that. But before that, I will be uploading few of my old videos that I've already made half a year ago with my old PC. I will upload those before I'll start making any other videos. But then things will change and I will start making different style of videos, and I think you are going to like them, and I'm going to tell you more about them a little bit later on in this video. Now my main priority is still getting out the 6 or 7 videos I have not published yet, but those will be coming quite fast, and after that I'll try to keep to 1 video a month, or maybe sometimes more, but at least 1 video a month. So it's going to be better quality because I will have more time to edit and I'm not going to get burnt out by the videos I make. Also, I have more interest in making that kind of content. Short videos, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those, but I think there is going to be some, like maybe 1 week, 2 a week or something like that. Depends on many things, how busy I am and how it feels like. I mean, it could be maybe even every day, who knows? Because I don't have really so many ideas for those, but I could still do some of the old style content in the short format. There is one thing that changes the quality of the videos a lot, and that's the fact that I got a new PC. Some of you may have seen a little bit about it in the teaser, and the BeamNG video was made with it, but all of the other videos that I will be publishing now, like 6 videos I think, are still made with the old PC, and those will be bad quality still, but the quality will also raise with this PC, and I know some of you may be interested in what the new PC has in it. So it has a Ryzen 7 7800X 3D and a Radeon RX 9070 XT, and of course 32 gigs of RAM. So yeah, and I will be putting the full specs in the description or on the screen right now. I'm not sure yet. Now let's get on to the content, what I'm going to be making. First of all, it's going to be like more like different things. It's not only rally and drifting, because during my hiatus from YouTube, I got into Assetto Corsa Competizione, so that's GT3s. So at least GT3s will be a big thing from now on the channel, and also it's not going to be like the full send style of content anymore. I don't want to do that anymore because it's just it doesn't work, and also it's not something I enjoy making, and I can't give the value to you I want with that, because I want to help you guys get better at sim racing and even maybe in real life. So basically there are like 3 to 4 things I'm really interested in making when it comes to the videos I'm making. and one of them is tutorials and tips and all of that kind of stuff that make you a better driver. And then the second thing is that I want to make some product reviews in like new pedals, handbrakes and stuff like that. Third thing that I want to do is quite a big thing, and that's that I want to do some real life stuff, but there are a couple of problems with that. Number one problem is the biggest, and that is that I'm not really that comfortable on getting on camera, but I know if I want to do those kind of videos I will have to do that at some point, maybe not at first but at some point. And yeah, that's something that's not so like easy for me, but we'll get through that at some point, maybe, hopefully, who knows. Second thing is that I'm not really sure what I want to do in real life, because yes, I'm interested in cars and driving and all of that stuff, but I don't want to do like some wrenching on cars and stuff like that. And when it comes to driving, I don't have anything to track. Also, I don't want to do some illegal stuff on the public roads. And yeah, so it will need to wait a little bit until I get something cool enough to drive, at least on a track, or just cool enough to be a video worthy thing, I don't know. Where the interest for me comes to make the real life videos is that, first of all, I don't really want to be known as the sim racer guy. I want to be more of real life guy who makes sim racing stuff also and uses that to help himself be better in real life, but also I will still want to do some competitive sim racing. Another thing is that I'm way more interested in real driving, like track driving and stuff like that, in the long term than just sim racing, because sim racing is still just a placeholder. It's just cheaper and easier and all of that. But I want to get into real, at least track driving, maybe rally, maybe racing. I'm not sure entirely yet, but who knows? It's in the future. But there are a few ways I can go about this from now on. So I could just go and buy a go-kart, which would be cool and fun, and I've done a lot of go-kart stuff when I was younger. And yeah, but that's really kind of like, I'm not sure if I'm that interested in it. Like, it would be fun for a little while, but it wouldn't be something I would want to do for that long, at least as the main thing. Then the second thing I could do would be just to do sim racing until I can get the interesting car, something I want. So maybe a Porsche, maybe a Honda S2000 or something like that. And there will be also one more car that is going to be featured on the channel, at least at some point, but who knows at what point, because it's just going to be a bit of project. But what comes to getting a new car, it's like maybe a year away that I can get something that I'm actually that interested in. So yeah, if I want to do videos this summer, I would have to do them with my boring daily Honda Accord, and I don't think people are that interested in that kind of stuff. Or who knows, maybe I'm going to make the coolest Honda Accord channel there is. But I would like to hear your opinions on what I should do, what do you want to see from me, and yeah, tell me down in the comments. And if you have any like tips or tricks or ideas or I don't know, something to say, tell me. And now I let you enjoy the rest of Ounin Pohja and the beautiful sound of the turbo 5 cylinder. Bye bye.